Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency mining with a focus on the user-friendly platform Kryptex. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. To kick things off, head over to the Kryptex website at kryptex.com. I'll also share the link in the description below, and navigate to the download section and choose the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows or Linux. Download and install Kryptex on your computer. If you don't have a Kryptex account yet, no worries. Go to create an account and follow the prompts to set up your account. Enter your email address and make sure to use a secure password before you register. Kryptex will ask you to activate your account by verifying your email. After you have successfully verified your account, you can log into the application and Kryptex will automatically install on your hardware. With your account set up, let's optimize your mining performance. Click on Benchmark within the Kryptex interface. This will analyze your computer's hardware and determine the most profitable algorithms for your system. Let the benchmarking process complete. Once the benchmarking process is complete, you can start earning money right away. Click on the Start Earning Money button, and Kryptex will begin to mine. The Kryptex app will show you your expected profitability depending on your computer's hardware and specifications. By the day and by the month, you can see the exact amount of dollars that you're accumulating through mining from the dashboard. From the Settings tab, you can adjust your configuration of Kryptex to match your personal preferences. You can enable Start with Windows if you want Kryptex to start when your computer starts. You can elect to use CPU if you want to mine using your CPU and GPU, or you can just mine with GPU if you uncheck this box. And if you select Pro mode, you can mine Bitcoin using advanced settings. I only recommend using advanced settings if you are a developer or professional user. And lastly, you can adjust the intensity of Kryptex to be either light mode, full mode, or pause mode, depending on how much you use the computer. From the Kryptex dashboard, you can check out your earnings history and see exactly how much Satoshi you've accumulated by the day. You can check back in daily, weekly, or monthly to see how much you've accumulated over time. From the Balance tab, you can see your total solutions, including any unconfirmed and confirmed solutions, as well as any balance that you have available for withdrawal, including pending withdrawals. And you can also see your all-time earnings. From the page, you can check out your earnings history and it'll show you each of your deposits every single time you earn Bitcoin through mining. From the Hardware tab, you can see each of the computers within your mining operation. You'll see a list of every single device that has Kryptex installed, as well as the profitability per day and per month of your entire operation, as well as each individual computer. You'll also be able to see the individual power usage of each device, as well as the temperature. For each computer that you own, you can see each component that is currently mining. So for this example, I have a CPU as well as a GPU that are both mining Bitcoin at the same time. And here you'll be able to see their individual hash rate. And if you have any pool workers connected to an ASIC miner or similar, they will show up here as well. The Payout History tab will show you a complete log of withdrawals that you have requested and have successfully received from Kryptex through your mining operations. If you haven't received any payouts yet, you must contact Kryptex directly to request payment. And on the Request Payment tab, you can select different payment methods to receive payment. So for example, if you want to get paid in Bitcoin, you can simply choose Bitcoin, and the same applies for Ethereum and Tether. You can also choose to get paid in cash if you connect a payment card or bank account to Kryptex. Kryptex supports US dollars as well as various types of fiat currencies from various countries using different payment methods. It's up to you to decide which payment method you want to withdraw Bitcoin or funds from. As a user of the Kryptex platform, you can promote the app to other people and get 2% of their earnings every time they mine using the Kryptex app. Additionally, if you invite friends and they use the Kryptex pool for their ASIC operations, you can get up to 0.2% of their overall earnings. The Kryptex dashboard will keep track of every user that you have referred to the platform, as well as the number of active users that are currently under your account as an affiliate. If you have any questions or need support, you can go to the support tab and create a new ticket to get an answer directly from the Kryptex team. Here you will see a history of every ticket that you have created and their responses, all in one place. When you're ready to cash in on your mining efforts, head to the Request Payment tab and head to the Payment Details section. Kryptex allows you to withdraw your earnings in various cryptocurrencies. Set up your withdrawal preferences and you're good to go. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Kryptex for cryptocurrency mining. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy mining. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Bitcoin Investments for more tech tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep those GPUs running and take care.